There are two types of the circulation. Number one is the intracellular circulation. So what is the word intracellular means? Intracellular circulation means that within the cell, means inside the cell, we can say that, or within the cell or inside the cell. So now in intracellular circulation, actually cytoplasmic circulation will occur. Cytoplasmic circulation occurs, and the fluid is present in it. Okay, the fluid, cytoplasmic fluid will be present. Cytoplasmic fluid. Okay, so cytoplasmic fluid will be present. So here through cytoplasm uh, fluid, plasma will move in the cell. Okay, plasma move in the cell, and this process, the plasma move in the cell or cytoplasmic circulation, will be named as the process cytocyclosis, and it is occur in the cell, within the cell. The word intracellular means within the cell, so it is occurs in the cell. Okay, so surface area is large in this. Why cytoplasmic circulation occur? Because surface area is large, so the direct contact with the environment, direct contact with environment. Now the second is this process occurs in amoeba. It is eukaryotic and unicellular, so it can be occur in amoeba. Okay, now the second is the extracellular circulation. The word extracellular, you already known about it, that outside the cell. Okay, so outside the cell or between the cell and tissues, outside the cell, between the cell and tissues in higher living organisms. So uh, between the cell and tissues, and there are two types of fluid, environmental fluid and circulatory fluid. So environmental fluid is water. So in the circulatory fluid is lymphatic fluid or the interstitial fluid. Now in the sponges, there are the living pores and water in and out. Okay, so water in and out. This is also called the exchangement. Okay, so in hydra in hydra also, this is the example of in hydra extracellular circulation occurs. Okay, now interstitial internal fluid circulation is blood. Okay, so blood is in human being. Okay, so in blood 55% plasma is there, 45% blood cells and platelets. Okay, and in lymphatic fluid is white blood cell or whitish fluid, you can say that, whitish fluid. Okay, now interstitial fluid, now hemolymph also means a fluid. Hemolymph, circulatory fluid, we can say that hemolymph. So where hemolymph is present in arthropoda, molluscus, grasshoppers, mostly in insects. Okay, insects, arthropoda. Arthropoda means jointed legs organism, jointed legs organism. So here arthropoda, molluscus, and grasshopper, their circulation fluid or their circulation fluid is hemolymph, and hemolymph is present in it. And lymphocytes, salt, magnesium, calcium, salt, magnesium, calcium, bicarbonate ions, chloride, bicarbonate ions, okay. uh, these are present in lymphocytes. So here I am going to tell you the composition of hemolymph. So hemolymph, it has a high copper, no, high, it is a high copper quantity, high copper, okay. So copper is an element, a Cu, and no RBCs are present, only white bloods are present in it. No RBC present in hemolymph, white blood cells are present. Now, white blood cells are present. So here the no respiratory pigments, and it is like greenish or bluish, and also transparent. We can say the color of the hemolymph is greenish or bluish, or we can say that transparent. Okay, and it will not carry oxygen through the tracheal system. No absorption in medium, okay. Now now here in hemolymph, enzymes are present, enzymes, inorganic salts are present, inorganic salts, for example, Na plus sodium ions, potassium ions, magnesium ions, bicarbonate ions, okay. Uh, inorganic salts and enzymes, proteins, lipids, lipids and lipids and water. Hormones are present, even though hormones and okay, it's all about that. And hemocytes, what are hemocytes? Hemocytes are the cells of the hemolymph, okay. So in hemocytes, 90% plasma is there. Not in hemocytes are the cell, and there are the two types of hemocytes, hyalinocytes, or the it is also called the granulocytes. In hyalinocytes, 90% plasma is present, and 10% hemocyte cells are present. Hemocytes cells are present, okay. Hyalinocyte and the granulocyte. Granulocyte means large nucleus is present, and this is in means in arthropoda and in molluscus and grasshoppers. Circulation will not take place. The gaseous exchange will be through the tracheal system. This gaseous exchange takes place through tracheal system. So it's all about the intracellular and extracellular uh, circulation.